Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to TCL 40. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And then finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Finally, you can go back to Xiaomi and using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. After picking all of your files, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on TCL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Finally, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!